The objective of this is to clean, is to remove topical soil, not to remove stains or etches. Hi, I'm Caesar. So, to share with you what it is that you could expect with this product, let's make a transparent video. No script, no showroom, just real live footage. So right now we're in our shop and I want to show you where it is that our product came from, how it began, why it started, so on and so forth. So you understand what it is that you have. So over here, as we walk around, we literally over the last, I don't know, maybe 10 years, we've refined a cleaning product for our professional services. We've been fluctuating and figuring out our formula till we finally got it. So literally for our professional services, we use our deep cleaner. Right now, we just gave it a name of one soil, but this is our deep cleaner. Or we have our sealer. We're gonna create residential friendly versions of these more concentrated products, but that's soon to come. And then over here, we have our acid cleaner. Now this will never come out. And that is because you really need to know what you're doing. And if you don't, you could really damage something. Later on, we'll go over some things that acid can create, but that's probably why we're not gonna do that. Right now, what we're focused on is we're focused on our daily cleaner. So what is our daily cleaner? Daily cleaner is our neutral stone cleaner. In our world, on the professional side, it's a neutral cleaner. It's a neutral cleaner that we can use on stone, does a great job, but more importantly, it can clean without moving the sealer. So this thing is phenomenal to use literally throughout a whole various forms of surfaces in your home. So right now, I have a box left over here in the shop. I'm gonna go ahead, let's open it up together. I want you to see exactly what it is that you're gonna receive when you purchase this bottle so that you see exactly what it is that you can expect when you order the product. So just like with every product, you know, there's surfactants in here, you know, that settles in the bottom sometimes. So, you know, you want to shake it up, nothing too crazy, just move it around. The purpose of it is to clean well without removing the sealer and that sort of stuff. So we'll come over here, and this is literally the setting of people's homes, right? Where over here we have a laminate countertop next to a stove, next to cabinetry. Now, mind you, it's not, you know, fine cabinetry, but what we're looking at is we're looking at different types of surfaces. When you're trying to clean your natural stone, you can get overspray onto a different surface, and that's kind of where problems come into. So now we're gonna go ahead and clean it all. I'm not using very much. And while I'm at it, I'll clean the stainless steel there. Either way, now it's that one next step next to detail. Come over here. Take a look. So now over here, you shouldn't get any transfer because it's completely residue free. Well, take a look over here at the top of the stainless steel. Now, mind you, I haven't changed my towel yet. Now, at this point, you would want to. This is just to show you a little quick illustration, but you could clean that with it as well and not damage anything. Let's go come over here and take a look at our refrigerator. All right, started. So all I'm doing is 1, 2, 3 sprays, a little bit on the side. That's it. I'll stop right here so we can have a little bit of before and after. Now notice I didn't spray anything here. I just sprayed it here and I kind of pushed it that way because you don't have to really spray the entire surface to get the result that you want. You can just spread it across the rest of the surface. So I don't know if you can see the after, but what it did is it cleaned your stainless steel. Now, just like the stove, just like the stainless steel, is it meant for it? No, it's not meant for it, but it can. This can clean it. So more importantly than that, if you get overspray, it's not gonna damage anything around it, and that's what I'm trying to illustrate. Oh, so over here, if you'll notice, we have 1, 2, 3 types of towels. And what's important for you to note is that when you're cleaning, a lot of your result really starts with your towel. What towel selection did you have? A microfiber is an amazing towel because it absorbs really well, spreads, but when it's super saturated, so you have a lot of wiggle room for it to absorb, it's not gonna scratch anything. So in this case, this is important as well as the neutral cleaner, the product that you use to clean your surfaces. So now it's time to understand what it is to expect from this cleaner on this type of countertop. So first we'll identify what's on this countertop. I don't know if you could tell from the angle that you're standing at, but this thing is just covered in etch marks. So what exactly is an etch mark? So let me move out of the way. I don't know if you can see it now. All right, so those are etch marks. And if you see those, they're not watermarks. Watermarks can't happen unless the water is acidic. But if it's acidic, it will have a chemical reaction. That's 100% down. So if it's happening, you need to test the pH on the liquid that's making contact. So put the glasses down. All right, so now I'm not gonna put very much. Well, don't forget to shake. I already shook it. There we go, first out, 1, 2. I'm not putting very much. I'm using the microfiber towel. And do that. All right, so what do you see there? The etches did not go anywhere because etches is a chemical reaction. So no cleaners on the market is gonna remove it. But what did come off was topical soil. Now, again, this is a countertop that we use often, so I don't expect there to be a lot of soil, but if there was, you should be able to see it before and after that. I'll find out in edit. All right, so now we'll come over here back to this engineered stone. So as far as this engineered stone and this laminate countertop here, I'll pick 2 spots. Again, spray, spray. Same microfiber towel, all I did was just switch the side. So the side that I buffed with on the other side, that's the side I'll use over here because I really didn't saturate it. Okay, so now remember, the objective of this is to clean, is to remove topical soil, not to remove stains or etches. All right, so now over here, same towel. Did this whole little corner here. So it's not polishing, it's not removing sealer, it's not enhancing, it's not darkening, it's not leaving residue, it's not doing any of that. It's literally cleaning the debris on your surfaces. Now, in no which way, shape, or form am I saying use this product to clean your car. It is literally just to illustrate the fact that you have a waxed, painted surface, metallic surface, next to glass. And you have a glass surface. So what you have is you have 2 surfaces that you gotta be careful what you put on, because something that's meant for this could damage that, something that's meant for that could damage this. And that's it. So take a look at the after. So now I know that was a little extreme, but what I was trying to show and emphasize is that whatever kind of coating, sealer, protectant you have on your laminate, your wood, your natural stone, engineer stone, vinyl floor, could be wax, could be penetrating sealer, color enhancing sealer. This is not gonna remove it. And at this point, I think I covered almost every surface in the shop over here. I mean, now I can just like drag it on, but over here we have the old faded wrap on this van. And what I'm illustrating here is, number 1 is it picked up soil, but number 2 is it didn't damage the wrap or leave a residue. That's the illustration, that's the point. That's what you can expect from this product. It's not gonna remove etches. It's not gonna remove anything pigmented, anything wine, anything that left a color stain. It's gonna remove topical soil to a degree that you could literally use it for your countertop. It's not gonna harm it. Again, it's not meant for degreasing. It's not meant for stainless steel. It's not meant for glass, not paint, not wraps. It's not meant for it, but it can, and that's the point. So with that said, this is what comes in the 32-ounce bottle. Now, if you wanna capitalize on it, we also offer the product in a gallon. Now, as far as the gallon goes, this is concentrated, so you're gonna know the concentration, dilution. We put it over here on the side for you, and you could expect the exact same thing that we talked about as far as this cleaner goes, as far as this product goes. So if you wanna learn more about the gallon, watch the next video. But if you're only interested in the ready-to-use 32-ounce bottle, then thank you for your support, and don't forget, a microfiber towel with this, unstoppable.